Welcome back, my amazing learners. We are off and running now, and we're learning so much about digital citizenship. So welcome. Our topic for today is how technology makes you feel. Do you see those little cartoon faces? You have an orange one looking quite grumpy, a blue one looking surprised, and that yellow one, what is that expression on its face? You tell me about it in the comments below. We are learning how to be good digital citizens. And remember that just as how we try to be wonderful, positive, productive boys and girls in real life, when we're online, talking to other people online, using the internet, we should always try to be positive and productive. Now, how does technology make you feel? We're going to learn about that right now. Here's an important question. Why is it important to listen to your feelings when using technology? Well, for me, it's important to listen to my feelings when I'm using technology so that it can help me, so that my feelings can help me to make smart choices, good decisions. Maybe it's the same for you. Maybe there's another reason. How do you feel when you have spent too much time inside on a rainy day? You're looking for pictures of hearts, so you search love, but you end up on a site that looks like it's for grown-ups. How do you feel? What should you do? You're watching a show that is supposed to be for kids, but there is a really scary character that you don't like. How do you feel? What should you do? Remember, boys and girls, you can discuss any of these questions, any of these scenarios with your older brothers or sisters at home, or mommy and daddy, or auntie and uncle, anybody who is at home with you. You can talk to them about it, or you can wait until we're in Google Meet together or Google Classroom together, and we can talk about it some more. Now, uncomfortable. What does that word mean? It means causing a feeling of hurt or worry. How do you feel after you're done using technology? Now you're going to make a little craft, and I can't wait to see your completed projects. You're going to draw these different little emojis: happy face, curious, uncomfortable, frustrated. So you can draw it on a piece of paper, cartridge paper, cardboard, whatever paper you have at home. You can use your crayons or markers to color it, decorate it, and then you're going to stick that face, that round face, on a popsicle stick. Glue it onto the popsicle stick. All right, students? And once you're finished, you can take a picture of your completed work and send it to me. Pause, think, ask. What does that mean? Pause means when you have a feeling, stop and take a moment to notice it. Notice what you're feeling. Think. Notice your feelings and think about what to do next. Ask. If you're feeling unsafe, unhappy, or unsure, get help from a grown-up. Now, here's a little emoji game. How do you feel? What should you do? Remember, you typed something in the search engine. You typed in foot, F-O-O-T, foot, and some images came up, and they seem so strange. How do you feel? Would you be happy about those strange things that you see? What should you do? Should you close it? Should you save it? Should you call mommy and daddy and say, look at this, look what I found? You're going to hold up one of those sticks when you're playing this game with mommy and daddy. Let's watch this video together.
Technology, it's fun, it's neat. It makes me feel really sweet. But then sometimes it makes me blue. Do you ever feel that way too? When I'm happy, I say woohoo! When I'm sad, I say boo-hoo. When I feel my feelings, I share them too. Whatever I'm feeling, I say it to you. When I feel unsure or not okay, I pause and think and ask away. I find a grown-up and I say, can you help me find my way?
Okay, so we have another wonderful little poem there, and you will see the words of the poem very soon, and you'll be able to read it to yourself, to read it with your bigger brothers and sisters, or with anybody who is responsible for you at home. Here is the poem. It's by Ren Brennan. It's about Do You Ever Feel? And it's all about how you feel with technology. So you can read it together with them. Now pause and think. You can draw a picture to show what you will do if you get uncomfortable. If you get an uncomfortable feeling using technology. And you can write about what you will do if you get an uncomfortable feeling using technology. I will link all of that in the description box below. Now, students, that's the end of yet another lesson. You're getting closer and closer to becoming a digital citizen. I'm so happy that you're here learning with me. I can't wait to see you in the next video.